This is the famous Bergdorf Goodman clothes store. There's that's a brief look in. They're ready for Christmas too. Look at that. I thought most of the stores would be ready already for Christmas. This is when they make the bulk of their money. The last 2 months of the year, people are buying gifts for Christmas. These windows are under redecoration. I'm not ready to show them yet. We're walking down Fifth Avenue. We're going to do a brief walk down Fifth Avenue and look at the people who are walking along Fifth Avenue. Lots of beautiful people here. This is the Chanel store. In Bergdorf Goodman. No jewelry windows yet. Bulgari, I think they make watches, if I'm not mistaken. Prada, I think they make shoes and purses. Then we have Trump Tower. Police car parked in front. Chanel, fine jewelry. Here we go, was this Prada? Prada is decorated for Christmas also. They get a coat, and some shoes, and some bags.
You may have to ladies pop in.
We may have to pop in there, ladies. That's cute. That'll make me laugh. Prada for men. Backpacks, sweaters, and clothing. Ugly looking shoes for men. Yves Saint Laurent and Dolce and Gabbana. I think those are purses too, and bags. Another designer. See the steam? That's because they sell. Con Ed sells steam to heat your building. You don't have to have a boiler plant in your building to heat it. You can, just like you buy electricity, you buy gas. Con Ed, for the last 100 years, has been selling steam. Sometimes they get leaks. Imagine how much fun that is down in the sewer to work on a leak on a steam pipe. We're going to turn around in this quick video and walk up the other side of the street. We're down at
Okay, Belmont Forest was awesome.
55th Street. Walk up Fifth Avenue now. There's store called Mango. Down the street you have Lord and Taylor. That's the St. Regis Hotel. That hotel we're looking at there. It's an older hotel. Looking up Fifth Avenue. And just to remind you, we'll be here on Thanksgiving at 9:30 a.m. during the Thanksgiving Day Parade. Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. 9:30 Thanksgiving Day on this channel, live. Unless it's raining. It rained last year, I'll never do that again. Beautiful church. This is being brought to you in 4K and 60 frames per second. Swatch has a store here too. And if you like these type of walking tours, punch that red button on the lower right hand side of the screen and subscribe. If it costs anything, free. Would you like a Omega watch? I used to have an Omega Seamaster. Looks like one of them. You know the diamond stuff. This is Dolce and Gabbana. Gucci? Everyone loves Gucci bags. There's Gucci. Gucci bags. My bag. It's like an LV bag to me. It's Gucci. We've done other videos of Fifth Avenue where we go in Trump Tower and walk around and talk to people there. We also did another video where we walk into Tiffany's and go through Tiffany's. That's one of our earlier Fifth Avenue videos. Let's see what Tiffany has in their windows for Christmas. Wow. How about that? No prices. I bet that Christmas tree looks like glass. There's the white gold and diamonds. Beautiful. Tiffany and Co. No diamonds in that window too. Ah, blue sky, how about that? That's nice to see. I love videoing when the sky is blue. There's the Bergdorf Goodman building. That's the whole building. They prepare the clothing for all their stores. They do all the pricing. More of the Bergdorf Goodman stores too, right across the street from one another. There's a better view of what the Plaza Hotel looks like from the exterior. beautiful hotel. I stayed there on the 3rd floor. And I luckily got a $3,000 a night suite for $750. It was a suite that I had booked originally, they gave away.
Different parts of the
This
day.
used to be the GM building. This tall building here. Now it's, at least on the 1st floor, Apple. So like an Apple store. Which is typical. Apple was as big as GM was in the 60s. Apple's bigger now. There's their symbol. Elon Musk says his company is going to be a $5 trillion company in the next 5 years. There's the Musk pickup truck, ALB vodka. Now from this point up, you're on Central Park, it's mostly wealthy people living in apartments and condominiums that they own, or cooperatives that they own. Very expensive part of town. That is where the upper East Side begins. Right here on 59th Street. Let's go with the killers. Seafood truck. When I was 5, I got hit by a seafood truck. Trying to cross the street. Well, this will conclude the video right now. Just look at the plaza again. Food all over the place here on the south part of Central Park. And thanks for watching. And come see us on Thanksgiving Day.